Okay, welcome to Screencast-O-Matic. I do have a link to a video that describes Screencast-O-Matic and Screencastify because I was a little confused about the difference between the two. So they are both screen capturing tools. They both have a free version that I think will be fine for teachers. So here's just a comparison of the two. Screencastify, you only get 10 minutes, where Screencast-O-Matic you get 15. You can put music to Screencast-O-Matic in the free version, but I'll let you guys look at that. And then if you click the link at the beginning of the presentation, that gives us full video of all the comparisons between the two of them. So I just thought I'd do a little instruction on how to complete these Zuki puzzles that I sent you a couple links to. So every puzzle has a few dots, and your objective is to use the dots to make the figure that's usually next to the dot graph. So here we want to make a square. So you're going to have every vertex of the square has to contain a dot. You can go through other dots to get to dots, but you can't make a figure. You can't have a vertex that doesn't include a dot. So try to do this. I'm going to give you, 20 seconds to try to find the square. And I will warn you before I give the answer if you want to pause the video so you can take more time. All right, so I will be sharing the answer. So there was the square. Kids end up really liking these. At first they might get a little frustrated, but that whole perseverance and resiliency, they end up liking them. This is probably a 6th, 7th, 8th middle school. It might be good for elementary too. I shouldn't limit that. So now I'm going to give you 3 more. So here's 3 more figures. I want you to find the parallelogram, the rhombus, and the isosceles triangle. Go ahead and pause your video so that I can give the answer and I don't have to sit here and wait. So I am going to give the answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll share the answers. I used that draw chat you can see, and for some reason it goofed up my lettering. It made it very blurry, but I think you can see what these answers are. So they have like bright isosceles triangles, trapezoids you have to find. It's just a really fun activity, and I think it helps with spatial reasoning, and even for linear equations, like if it's a tilted right triangle, then they can figure out if the slopes are opposite reciprocals of each other to make sure it's a right angle. I think it's really cool. So thanks, have a good day.